In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between profiles on Amazon, specifically within the Prime Video app. This is a handy feature that allows each member of your household to have their own personalized viewing experience, which can be quite a game changer for families or roommates. First, you'll need to open the Prime Video app. This should be straightforward, but if you're new to the app, you can find it on your smartphone or tablet by navigating through your apps or using the search function if it's not immediately visible. Once you have the app open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, take a look at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the profile icon. This icon is typically located in the upper section of your interface. It might look like a small silhouette of a person or a circle with your initials. Go ahead and give that a tap. This action will lead you to a list of available profiles tied to your account. Once you've tapped the profile icon, you'll be shown all the profiles associated with your Prime Video account. From here, you can select the profile you wish to switch to. Simply tap on the profile name and voila, the app will transition you to that specific user's profile. This means that the recommendations, viewing history, and watch list will change to reflect what's personal to that profile, ensuring a personalized experience. However, what if you want to add a new profile or manage existing ones? Well, chances are you'll eventually want to customize your experience further. To do so, start again by tapping the profile icon at the top of your screen. Once there, look for the option that says Plus New to create a new profile. This is perfect for adding new family members or guests. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details, and you'll have a new profile set up in no time. If you need to make adjustments to an existing profile, such as changing the name or deleting it, you'll want to select the option labeled Edit Profiles. This is where you can fine-tune each user's settings and ensure everything aligns with their viewing preferences. Navigate through the list, select the profile you wish to edit, and make the necessary changes by following the on-screen instructions. Switching between profiles and managing them properly are crucial steps in making sure you and everyone using your account have the best possible experience on Prime Video. With these simple steps, you're all set to enjoy a more tailored viewing experience for yourself and those you share your account with. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.